One of the most painful questions women in our Detox Your Marriage coaching ask us is this: how do I know if he's really changing, or is this just another cycle? That's a great question. That question matters because your future depends on the answer. And today, I want to give you a very clear way to tell the difference, not based on hope, but not based on promises, but based on patterns. Before we go deeper, if these conversations help you feel clearer and more grounded, click the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. So, here we go. Temporary relief usually appears after tension builds. There's been conflict, there's been distance, there's been emotional withdrawal, read man cave, and then suddenly he's attentive, maybe apologetic, but a little vague in the apology, and maybe affectionate, maybe even cooperative, and everything feels lighter. And your nervous system says, finally. But here's the key. Temporary relief is focused on restoring comfort. It's not creating change. So if it's temporary relief, you'll notice that there's no real accountability, no sustained behavioral shifts, no deeper conversations, and no consistent effort after the calm returns. The system simply resets. You see, relief feels powerful because your body has been in survival mode. So when the stress level drops, you mistake the absence of pain for progress. It's like if you go to the dentist because you have an aching tooth and you get anesthetic for the pain. Like, that's not real progress. That's just relief from the pain. Same way. You see, the absence of pain is not growth. It's just pause in your relationship. And many women confuse emotional quiet with transformation, and that keeps them waiting, hoping, sometimes for years. And that's unacceptable. Real change, on the other hand, is quieter. It's less dramatic. It doesn't rely on emotional highs. It shows up as consistency. Real change looks like ownership without defensiveness, repeated behavioral shifts over time, a willingness to tolerate, a willingness for him, let me be clear, a willingness on his side to tolerate discomfort, a curiosity on his part about your experience, and stability in the relationship that continues after the conflict ends. Can you hear the difference? Real change survives ordinary days, not just crisis moments. And here's the most important piece. Real change lowers your nervous system stress long term. You stop scanning the room. You stop bracing. Your body starts to relax. That's the real evidence to look for. Sometimes what women call hope is actually relief addiction. They're waiting for the next calm moment, and relief keeps the system alive without ever transforming it. And that's why in a relationship like yours, clarity is so important, because clarity doesn't ask, is he trying right now? It asks, is the pattern actually changing? If you're trying to figure out where your relationship sits, relief or real change, you don't have to sort through that alone. Inside our Detox Your Marriage community, it's free. We help women learn how to read patterns instead of moments, and how to stabilize their nervous system so decisions come from clarity, not emotional swings. If you wish, you can also schedule a 15-minute quick start call if you want help understanding your specific dynamic. That's also free, no strings attached, nothing for sale. And if this conversation brings clarity for you, why don't you click the like button and the subscribe button, and maybe even post a comment down below. That might help other women understand what they're going through. And so it's a gift to someone you've never met.